Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's Race and Resto. Monday fun day. Let's see if this slight change in plans makes some difference on the drama. I think it's coming. This joint's always got some sort of drama going on, but here we go. So E30, we have the firewall all prepped, ready to go on one side. It's been seam sealed. Let's have a nice. It's all seam sealed and stuff, all up under the battery tray, all around the battery tray. We have E90 master and booster sitting in, waiting. Come up really good. So it should look kind of factory, close to anyway, which is what I was aiming for. Resealed the inside of the water well deeply, so it should be lots better. We have a little tiny bit of rust left to do up under there, but that's not too bad. I've got the cuts. I'll probably get onto that tomorrow or the next day. I just want to seal all this steel. So 4 pans in. Looks factory. Looks good. From here, it'll go green. It's all seam sealed. Oh, hand in the way. It's all seam sealed. Nice. Battery tray's all seam sealed. It's all ready to go. So it's been etch primed, then seam sealed, and it was brush on seam sealer. I used a Septone product. Just works. All underneath's done. Same thing, brush on. We got we got some stuff for the Morris. Here, I'll go this way, so then that way I don't have the light behind the camera. So we got some stuff for the Morris today. We've got a cylinder head and a radiator. So we have a nice little aluminium radiator. All right. The cylinder head was sent by one of the gentlemen that the car was sent to in Sydney. So what's happened is in the last week I've been chasing up the debt. Let's go like that. So the Morris, a bit of drama. The Morris went to Sydney. We worked out it was $10,000 to rebuild the engine. He was promised about $3,000. Cost $3,000 to get it there and back, just over. The engine that was in it was a 1275, 940 head, Weber, nice extractors, lots of good stuff. It came back with a 948 standard head, shitty rebuilt standard head. Wasn't fresh, it had done a bit of Ks. The bottom end looked like it had done about 30 to 50,000 Ks. It's supposed to have 900 Ks on it. Other video, you can see that. Got on to the engineering company. At least I classify myself as uncertified. This guy shouldn't build engines. It was supposed to be fully rebuilt, bored, honed, crank done, or everything done. Made 24 horsepower at the time. So got onto them. The gentleman the car was sent to, who utilised the engineering shop to build the engine, I've told him I'm not happy with him because he booked it in with the engineer who built the engine, who did a shit job. Now, he's sent me a cylinder head. He's trying to help out as much as he can. But at the end of the day, two guys in Sydney that are well known in the Morris community took his money and sent him back a car that was slow as shit. And they both of them should have known that it was slow as shit. It literally had 18 kilowatts. We're talking 24.3 horsepower or something silly. So, good news. Engineering shop has agreed on a full refund. So it might be minus a little bit. So that should be enough for us to build the engine that I actually offered to build a year and a half ago, which was too dear. So my initial quote was $10,000, aluminium head, rebuild the 1275 block with a new block and offset bore the pistons the right way. Then it wouldn't have blown heads. That's why I went to Sydney. I now get to build this engine. But we have to replace the 950 and the 1275's coming back from Sydney. Have Yeti, Mr. Zach, go on and pick it up. Thanks, Zach. You're a fucking legend. I've told Zach he can do whatever he likes. Anyone that knows Zach knows that it could actually be quite interesting. Zach, if you want to film it, mate, by all means, film it. Give me the film and I'll upload it. But he's going to go to the engineering shop and pick up the 1275 parts, which we've been promised. So we should have back $5,000 worth of 1275 parts, plus close to $10,000. So what we're going to do is sell off a bunch of these bits. I have a lovely gentleman in Adelaide that's just told us he'll sell us a Sprite engine. So we've got a 1098 Sprite motor, big crank. This is all stuff. This is all mini stuff now, all mini and Moke and Sprite stuff. So we're going to build a little 1200cc big bore, small bore block, hopefully with an aluminium head in the Weber. So we're going to do something really cool. It'll be like 1200cc, 100 horsepower, 80 foot-pounds of torque. It'll be cool in the car. And we'll have a little cam and stuff in it, so it should be cool. So it'll be something different for the channel. We've got Falcon stuff coming and things like that. So yeah, Monday Fun Day, we should call it. Can't call it Monday Fun Day. Let's call it Manic Monday. All right, that sounds better, especially for this channel. Thanks, guys. As always, it's always good to share some of the stuff, and hopefully you learn a bit along the way. The green car, I'll get some engine-based stuff done this week. I might do a time-lapse of the paint. It's going to be spray can. 2-pack made up in the spray can. More than likely, it'll be probably just straight paint. The engine bay probably needs to be done professionally once the engine comes back out for the next engine, because there's another engine builder. Yes, there's another engine builder building it, so not me. That's already booked in. He's got his mechanic. He's had his mechanic for 20 years, so that's fine. So the green car, the aim is, today is Monday, the aim is Friday, motor going back in. Fingers crossed we can make it happen and I don't get as many interruptions as what I've had in the last month. The last month has been ridiculous. So yeah. Oh, and we've got a couple of weeks, we've got some drag racing coming up, so we will do some videos and I'll get Jo, see if I can get her close to the start line with the camera, and we're going to drag race E30. It's going to tail and bend to the bend, and we're going to do a street meet and see what it runs. My guess is 12.2, 12.3. We'll see how we go. Thanks, guys. Yeah, have a lovely week, and I'll bring you some other little updates. Thanks.